Hi everyone, I decided to make a video to show you and demonstrate to you how I actually started on writing a song that I've written some time ago. This song, titled Peace, was written some time ago. When writing this song, I would look at the intent. Actually, for this particular song that I've written, it was a response to a Facebook contest where there was a criteria that the post on the Facebook has to start with the words once upon a time. And at that point in time, I wanted to write a song that conveys apology, asking for forgiveness, and also making peace. So I thought I would actually write it in the form of a song. And I wrote the lyrics. In writing a song, it's important for the songwriter to be clear about what's the intent of the song. After which, it helps to have a reference of the kind of images that the song would trigger in the mind of the listener, as well as the primary emotions. So with this in mind, I listed kind of images that I would hope to evoke in the listener as well as emotion. I started writing the lyrics. I came up with the final lyrics after several revisions. After writing the lyrics, I went to search for the chords of the favorite songs I like, and then use that as a reference for these songs to write the harmony for the song. In a way, it helps me lessen the time required to write the harmony from scratch. And so these are the harmony that I actually came up with. A minor, F, C, G, purely just by researching the chords for my favorite song and using that. Then I decided how I wanted to structure the song. I just wanted a short song, 4 lines. After which, in the process, I find it helpful then using the harmony as the foundation. I then play the harmony on the piano. And interestingly for me, it may work differently for different people. The melody just comes out to my mind based on the intent, the message, and the kind of emotions I want to evoke. I actually came out with a melody that synchronizes and works well with the harmony. Okay, let me show you how the final lyrics would actually work with the chords of the song. This is how the song piece actually kind of work out. And if you ask me about songwriting, there is no specific order on which one to start with. It depends on you as a songwriter, what is most comfortable for you. As long as you kind of like work out and make sure the 5 elements of songwriting are more or less there, you can actually figure out your way of which order works for you. Whether it's melody, writing the lyrics, writing the harmony, or deciding on the song structure, or figuring out the rhythm of the song. In any order, you can actually decide for yourself which one works for you better. Essentially, let me break down the whole steps again for you once again. First, decide the intent of the song, the message to be communicated, then the emotions to evoke on the listener. After which, write the lyrics. Sometimes there will be revisions along the way. You just start writing. Next, for me, I like to then come up with the harmony. It works better for me. And then I will then write out the melody using the harmony as a foundation and as a reference. However, in songwriting, there is no fixed order of how the song could be written. Some people actually enjoy writing the harmony first, then put in the melody, and then put in the other parts of the song. So it's really perfectly all right, whichever order you wish to use when writing a song. I hope it helps you to have an idea of songwriting. And if you like, you can listen to the song piece, which I've recorded quite a while ago. See ya. Bye-bye.